This is Vybz Kartel, and I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Wow.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see, upon the screen, dancehall artists still continue to do it. And them get a fight from the system, people putting in the comment section if that right or wrong. Not sure if I'm seeing too much soca artists in Jamaica out there. If you are, big up on yourself. But I'm just seeing dancehall artists, doing it. Because, most of them is from the ghetto. So them really feel it, you know what I mean? It's unfortunate. Some of them is getting more praise than the next. And all of them is helping. Vybz Kartel is coming under heavy fire for reaching Jamaica 1 week after, the catastrophe reach, And people them is saying them for go back where I'm for, I don't want to say belong, but where him did they? Because Shaggy and Sean Paul did a deal with it. You see my people putting at the comment section what do you see on your screen. Because they're also saying, wow, I can't believe Kartel did a video in such, nice surroundings. You know what I mean? This had to be taped before. All of them things then. Why? See what I say? Just because you don't see your favorites posting doesn't mean they're not doing. That's why they have these charities. You see my people. And, a lot of people that's showing what they're doing is looking promotion for them business and clothes to rebuild them image. So we really just need to, thank, the Almighty that them doing something. Because they really don't have to. This is the government's job. You feel me? And this is why I disagree with I Shalom when him say, oh, tell them for free up the room them and put displaced people in there. You know what I mean? Well, if you are a homeowner, if a hurricane knocked down your roof or whatever, you still have to pay your mortgage, So this is just a short fix. And speaking about the beaches and the hotel, well, all the land belongs to the crown. As you can see, these are from your constitution and the government of Jamaica website, showing that the crown owns all of these lands. Even the gully back that people live on. You see me? So I think now is the time, as them said, time come for black people for rise up. Because they're not getting nothing. They're not going to give them nothing. They're not building no infrastructure for when they live luxury life in Jamaica. As you can see, when slavery was abolished, only the slave owners got compensation, which people in England just paid back 200 years later. Or they never get nothing when it was independent, them just take the beach. And that's what is going to happen again. Black people is going to real build back on the gully bank, and people from around the world is going to continue to help them like how things was going before Hurricane Melissa. Right? But I'm just giving you that update while I go on for that to go on, isn't it? Vybz Kartel attacked by civilians for being back home. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright, people, enough of this that stuff. Let's get to the back of a mix up that don't follow me if I don't. Because yesterday, some things that are going on with Akeem mother and one lady named Paula. Me say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Annie, you was only here for the tops and roses. This lady you're there for war. You see me? Because you only address certain aspects. Well, you should have deal with everything one time. I know she's back at it again. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on. And then we'll proceed.
So I've heard the critiques, I've seen the screen recordings, I've seen everything, but guess what? Nothing phases me. I'm not afraid of nobody. Any perps. Remember say me no ongo say Akeem to come suck you, Remember say I'm a batty man too. Oh, you never address that. Rosealee, you tell Bella to come for me. Remember me not afraid of no blood clot girl. No girl me not afraid of. You understand? Rosealee, you think one go be it. The only thing you know if you do is suck good. You begin think probably that's why the boy no want to fuck you. Move your blood clot on a boy.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. Speaking about Akeem, we have to speak about chicks. Yeah, because all the money in a Rosealee, you see my saying right now, she said the government just gave back her youths. Can you believe that? I really have to check it to see if the youths was in government possession when this hurricane did go on. But nevertheless, she says she's happy. She visited them yesterday, and she and her baby daddy is on good terms. They're co-parenting. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on, and then we'll proceed.
Me used to talk to one boy. We make me know straight say Him not talk to nobody when no. Him not talk to nobody when I want him. Him not talk to nobody when I want him. And me I tell you this today. Me not talk to nobody when I no want. So, I'm a lady on the platter. Anybody want to call it Dululu, I don't give two fuck. Me not talk to nobody when me not talk to nobody when me no want. Nobody. Nobody. If me no want, if me not like you, me not chat to you. A waste of time that. I'm here at Gemini. Sometimes it becomes boring after a while. So you see, if you're not interested in the family get me not waste my time. Sorry. So I don't know what you guys talking about. I want the delusional. I want to pay delusional, not blood clot. This a bit sharp. I want the delusional, not me. I don't know one name blood clot, so come in a live fairy tale life. Come in a Alice in a Wonderland. I'm in a Cinderella with no glass blood clot boot. Me not answer them bubbler. Me I tell them. Nobody come type Drake's name. Drake's my baby father. I try to live good with him. I don't want no beef between us. I don't know why I want it, but film days up and numbered. Come they left Drake's a long time in my mind. But we have kids together. And him is that a man who me never can't stop deal with forever. So me talk to him. Me listen for about 2 weeks and I look at him, no phone call. And me talk to him. Cause the bigger one have more sense. And I can't live bitter against my baby father. I want to see the worst for him through a life journey. I can't live bitter against him. So you know what I do? I talk to him because the bigger one have sense. And I don't want the bigger one to say, Mommy, I don't like daddy, and I can't give an explanation why I do and why I don't. You understand? Because the bigger one have sense. And the younger one, when I speak much, it will play upon film brain more because I speak much. And kids can't take bad levity with parent. So to me as an adult, I'm as a grown-ass woman, I try to live good with Jakes. So leave him, not gonna call. But I type Jake's name, so we're not talking about Jakes. Make Jake stay away him there. We have nothing bad to say about Jakes for now and so on. So when him come with him bagga, we'll leave him, I not deal with him. But long as we cross them bridges there, we are go right by the kids' eyesight. We're not in no whole part, you know? We are trying come to a conclusion and grow the kids. Can't live bitter with him every day. The kids them are grow. Leave Jakes, make Jakes blood clot stay. Leave him not. Him not trouble with, so we have nothing against him. We are talking about man now, and Jakes in the picture, make him stay. We are talking about him. Chat focus. We can't get 2 live goal. Make Jakes stay. Jake's alright. We are talking about man. Bumbo look like a done. Them good enough. Put them good man. Like you when you're in this sweet mood. I was in a mood, baby. Nothing exceptional, Mr. Gemini. I'm always in a mood. No, Mark, let me drink for Melody. As well, Lord, nothing wrong with sharing. You must wear your ring and show them it. Mr. Bitch with 2 claws, you know. Relax now. It will make empathize for how I'm married. Me's a bitch with 2 claws. Me still a bitch with 2 claws. It will make empathize. Don't worry, me peace, miss. Me know why you know about Derek. Power top strat. Me's a bitch with 2 claws. Power top. Strat, we don't have no pussy. We have to enter the rank, you know. I don't want to come. We have to enter the ranks. So I feel like we're not going to enter the ranks today. Me's a bitch with 2 claws, you know. When I empathize fan that. I drink me look. I say I pay Magdom, I drink for tea. Alright, congratulations, man. Thank you. Pour top. I empathize. For the people in the chat. Only never somebody do me give her already. Rest me no man. Everybody do them thing. You know, like mix up. Me do my thing, Akeem do them thing, Roblem do them thing, Sister do them thing, Triple do them thing, everybody do them thing. That man figure out do them thing, but the people do them thing. But the bumper rascal to now come over here so neck with mix up for. Me not gonna do that today. Mads make two people circle away. Me not do no mix up. At 2025 now. Going to 2026, me not do no mix up. Me not do mix up. Me not like mix up sick my stomach. Me not do mix up. Because you see me, I something tell you, me a blood clot till it. Entourage want me love. Me not do no mix up. No mix up. They want me, girl. Me not do no mix up. When by Wednesday, me not do no mix up so good, girl. Lick out, batty, drink come, slime bucket. Me not do no mix up. You see mix up a paper on TikTok? You see me I mix up with people? Me not do no mix up. Me's a loner. Fuck me and go. Me not do no mix up. Me not do no mix up. Me not want to mix up run me at 2025 now. I'm going at 2026. Me not do no blood clot mix up. Me rather live delusional more than live blood clot mix up. Because sometimes when I live delusional, it fascinates you. I say, the boy a fuck out one of the walls them out of your wall and nothing no go so. But I mix up in a war and fight and it drain the energy. Me not do no mix up. Me rather live delusional because they say me delusional. A man no want me. Like. Put up the live. One girl come, so they come type on my blood clot program. If you miss the kids, I'm gonna say no, them screen you can't put it up. I wonder, the government give me visit, ask the government give me visit to them kids, you know. Them not take that way. So all of who they try to break me down and tear me down and things that the government not give me access. Them give me access. The judge give me access to my kids. Me can go look for them long as the girl is around there. I go in there anytime I feel like I should live. I add around there she live. I see my pick them partly every day. I go check upon them. I go look upon them. Up to last night. Me go around. They want me. Sometimes I say, no, me dear she in there. I say, oh. Wicked woman, yeah. I say, oh. I go check on me. I don't want a girl question about me picking them. I don't want no more pick them. I don't want. What's so fascinating about my life? I don't want to know about me youth them. I don't want to know if man want me. What's so fascinating about my life? My life fascinates someone who want to shape good. What's so fascinated? What's so fascinated about my life? What someone who want to know? You fascinated? You fascinate? Because a man never treat you no so. Man fail, you know. Rat fail, you know. Dog fail, you know. Hey, you know the worstest blood clot position. If your boy breathe, your baby in a belly and him nah look. The worstest thing of all in our lifetime. If your boy fuck you and breathe you and look by you for 9 consecutive months and you have to call him. Try me baby for the killing more post. Maybe for the killing more. Maybe for the lad. If I put a married ring pam. If I name Mrs. Rosealee, me not get none for you. Me notice, if I'm a turn married woman, me not get nothing for your child traveling more and pussy me baby father. Let me answer sell my babes. You know me love you. Let me something my baby. Everything are the problem, but I know me alone man not go on. Someone wanna ship gonna have stiff. Someone wanna go buy the ship and no man no want no. No worse than me. Someone wanna go buy the ship and man still not stay with you know. Man fuck someone on a look. It has nothing to do with shape. Man fuck someone and don't look. Don't look. I mean man not look. I mean a boy not look pound, a boy not look pound. I remember a boy fuck you. And the worst thing for a boy fuck you and not look. Wanna worry about me 5 man want me. How much of a man fuck and a look pound? Man fuck you and a look pound. When I want to for the pussy no good at. And I'm not really like that. At the time, I'm not really that. At the time. Character is everything, not looks. Someone will have no character, miss a man like we. A whole pa blood clot man, me know take up or sell pussy and marry to them and put them in a house and put ring pan finger. We ain't buy character. Character not have nothing to do with nothing. What you mean by it? A man can know a girl is a shit house. A man me call a cokehead. A drug addict. She's a cokehead. She's a drug addict. Nothing no good to come out a drug addict. Cause them broke them go and sell all them soul for buy the coke. And take her up, carry her rob, reban her, marry to her, cause me see her something. Them see something in her when nobody never see. What you talk about? How much man married cokehead? No! Bona time for your fun. Chad! My boo! Thank you, baby. Eh? Look about man there with cokehead. You don't know some more people? Now watch me and my own. Dominican Republic. How much man take up cokehead and marry to cokehead? You don't like the truth. 1 hour boy man want me for. See you, come here. Let me suck me the auntie. See you dash me away. Blood clot. But I take something for you and look lovely. Like my face. Look how much man there with cokehead. What do you mean by? Look how much man there with cokehead and wash them off and deal with them. We're not talking about international, we're talking about local. I hope a man there with cokehead. Drug addict.
It's a good look. Rosealee is done with Mix-Up and she is co-parenting with her baby daddy Jakes. And that is something that I've been advocating from the beginning, you know, and I'm like, wow, a lot of people really want to split up families. You know what I mean? It's crazy to me. You know what I mean? So it's definitely a good look. You see, my some people on that aspect, we're going to end the review. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do the right thing, you know. Yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.